Welcome to This Is My Architecture. My name is Amir, and I'm here with Sumit from CBS to discuss our cloud-based media supply chain. Hello, Sumit.
Thank you, Amir. I'm glad to be here.
So for maybe our international viewers, why don't you tell us what CBS does?
CBS is a mass media company that creates and distributes industry-leading content globally across various platforms. CBS is the most watched network here in the US, and it also owns one of the largest archives in the world.
So we've got your media supply chain here up on the board. Why don't you walk us through what it is you're trying to do with it, what you accomplished with it, and then we'll also discuss maybe the benefits you've seen from it.
Sure. I mean, what we have done is we've built a media supply chain that is reusable for both linear and nonlinear distribution. It's reusable, and we have set up something called as a come get me model, which helps us save cost, right? Because we store content in just one place. I will walk you through what it looks like.
Please.
So the metadata comes in from multiple places, both from third-party production houses as well as from CBS upstream systems, which we route today to a unique ID system and generate a unique ID. The unique ID system is actually built on AWS native services, including Lambda, DynamoDB, and API Gateway. Once a unique ID is generated through SQS, we send that to the content orchestration system, which creates an asset shell. The content orchestration system, is where the production houses will then upload their content to the through a content gateway.
Okay.
And once the content comes in, we already have an asset shell with the metadata, and now you have
a unique
content,
ID.
a unique ID. All this gets matched up, right? And the content orchestration system will scan it, will quality check it, and process it to store it into an S3 bucket.
And I assume there are lifecycle policies and that to Glacier too.
There are lifecycle policies that send them to Glacier and to Deep Archive.
Okay.
And at the same time, what we have built is that from here, we have built a come and get me model so that we can save on costs. That's where we provide the status from the content orchestration, right, to the downstream systems through a message bus, if you will, right? And whenever somebody puts a piece of content on a playlist, through an API, that content gets copied over from the S3 to the playout, right, to be sent out for satellite distribution.
And this message bus, this helps by handling, deconflicting the different protocols that these different systems use, right?
Absolutely, it helps. So each system has their own protocol, and it helps in conversion, and it helps in building the media supply chain, whereas it takes, it basically connects all these various components.
Can it handle any sort of like distributed, if there's a nonlinear asynchronous call?
Absolutely, right? That's what the bus is built on. Okay. It's built with an EC2 instance with an application load balancer in the front on an auto-scaling graph.
Thank you, Sumit, for walking us through how you're able to take in assets, assign a unique ID, manage their metadata, curate it, and then send it to playout and scheduling using a distributed messaging system. And thank you for watching This Is My Architecture.